Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a sales associate here at SCW, and part of my job is to help match the right camera to your needs. What we have here is the Sharpshooter. This is our super long-range camera. The Sharpshooter is an adjustable bullet camera. It's great for super long-range targets as well as harsh environments. It's an adjustable lens, so you can take it all the way from 6.5 millimeters all the way up to 143. This is a super long-range camera. It's going to allow you to recognize people at about 1,000 feet away. This camera is weatherproof rated at IP67. It has 600 feet of infrared night vision and also special anti-reflective glass. It has an array of mounting boxes and other hardware for your mounting needs. This camera supports plug and play with any of our Admiral line of NVRs. It does require a 24-volt power supply. It does come with our 3-year warranty as well as our free lifetime US-based tech support. Thanks for watching. SCW sales team is here to help you with any of your video surveillance needs. We'll do complimentary floor plans, customized quotes, as well as answer questions to any of our products. Just give us a call at 866-414-2553 and just hit 1.